Before you even speak, she's already feeling something. That slow glance, that confident energy, that unspoken presence that makes her wonder, who is he? If you know how to carry yourself the right way, you can make her crave you without saying a single word. In this video, I'll show you how to instantly make women see you as high value, magnetic, desirable, unforgettable. So, if you're ready to turn heads and leave a lasting impression before the conversation even starts, let's begin. 1. Your energy must say, "I don't need anything from you." If there's one thing that instantly kills attraction, it's neediness. And here's the twist. You don't even have to say a word for her to feel it. Neediness isn't loud, it's subtle, it's energetic. It's the vibe you give off when you walk into a room seeking something instead of radiating something. When a woman meets you, she's not just listening to what you say, she's scanning you. Her instincts are sharp. She's subconsciously asking herself, is he here to impress me? Does he need me to like him to feel good about himself? Is he performing instead of just being real? And if the answer is yes, she feels the pressure, the invisible weight of someone trying too hard, and that kills the spark before it even starts. Your job? Flip the script. Walk in like your life is already full, like you've got a purpose, a mission, a vibe that doesn't depend on her attention to thrive. Let her feel that you're already winning, that today was amazing before you even saw her, that she's not the reason you're good, she's just lucky to be part of your orbit. That kind of energy, it's magnetic. She'll feel it instantly, without you needing to say a word. 2. Your eye contact should subtly challenge her, without saying a word. Here's where most guys blow it. They either look away too quickly, signaling nervousness or submission, or they lock in too aggressively, trying to dominate, but it just screams insecurity. But high-value men, they hold eye contact with calm curiosity. Not desperate, not intense, just present, confident, and in control. You're not staring because you're desperate for her attention. You're observing, studying her energy. You're silently asking, are you even what I'm looking for? And that subtle shift? It's powerful. It flips the dynamic. She starts to feel like the one being evaluated, and once she realizes you're not chasing, that's when the desire kicks in, because nothing draws a woman in like a man who sees himself as the prize. 3. Own the room with your body language. Your body speaks long before you do, and if you want to be seen as high value, every move you make has to project ownership and unshakable confidence. Here's your body language checklist. Move slowly and deliberately. No rushing, no panic. Keep your chin slightly elevated. It signals confidence, not arrogance. Relax your shoulders. Tension makes you look insecure. Eliminate fidgeting. Restlessness is the enemy of power. Be spatially aware. Never shrink or make yourself small around others. When you walk into a room, walk like you belong there. Better yet, like you own it. Even if you just arrived, act like the space was waiting for you. This silent confidence tells her everything she needs to know. This man doesn't chase attention. He attracts it. He's not seeking approval. He's used to being noticed. Never underestimate the power of presence. Your posture, your pace, your calm dominance, they speak louder than your best pickup line ever could. 4. Your voice must anchor her nervous system. Your voice isn't just a tool for communication, it's a powerful instrument of attraction. When you speak from your diaphragm, deep, calm, and intentional, you send signals of confidence, stability, and control. And that is exactly what the feminine craves. Slow down. Don't rush to fill the silence. High-value men are never in a hurry to prove themselves. They know silence can be just as powerful as words. They pause. They speak with purpose. Every word is deliberate. There's no need to try to be interesting, because presence is the interest. Your voice should soothe her, not spike her anxiety. It should feel like a grounding force, a steady rhythm she can lean into. Most men talk like they're pitching themselves, like they need to sell who they are. But that energy feels needy. Instead, speak as if your world is already full, and she's lucky to get a glimpse. That's the kind of voice that doesn't just grab attention. It holds it. Because when a man speaks like that, she doesn't just hear him, she feels him. 5. You show social intelligence without saying a word. Women are incredibly observant. It's not just about how you treat her, it's how you carry yourself around everyone else. She's watching how the room responds to you. Do people light up when you enter? Do others greet you with respect, familiarity, or curiosity? Do you move through the space like you belong, without trying too hard to prove it? This is what sets high-value men apart. You don't need to dominate the conversation. You simply lead it. You read the room. You speak when it matters. You introduce yourself with confidence before being asked. You don't crave attention. You attract it. You don't beg for validation. You give it freely, without expectation. And it's not about money or status. It's about presence. High-value men radiate social intelligence effortlessly, and that, to a woman, is wildly attractive. Even if you're broke, this kind of energy makes you unforgettable. 6. You flirt like a man who's been with women before. There's a certain energy that separates boys from men, especially when it comes to flirting. You don't rely on corny pickup lines. You don't drop approval-seeking jokes, hoping she'll validate your sense of humor. And you're not throwing out try-hard banter like a man desperate for attention. No, your flirting comes from experience. It's smooth, subtle, confident. You tease her, not to prove anything, but because you're comfortable in your own skin. You give compliments with direct eye contact, not with a needy tone or an expectation in return. You carry a playful detachment, like this isn't your first time, and it won't be your last. Every word, every look, every pause communicates one powerful message. I'm not here to win you over. I'm here to enjoy the moment. That kind of energy doesn't chase attraction. It creates it. It makes her lean in, wonder more, and feel like you're the one in control of the room. Becoming high value isn't about flashy clothes, money, or rehearsed pickup lines. It's about presence, confidence, and the silent power of how you carry yourself. Women can sense a man's energy before he even opens his mouth. So, when you walk into a room like you own your path, when you make eye contact like you know your worth, and when you speak less but with purpose, you instantly stand out. Remember, high value isn't what you tell the world. It's what the world feels when you walk by. If this video helped shift your mindset, drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and turn on the bell so you don't miss what's coming next. Stay sharp, stay focused, and always move like a man who knows exactly who he is. Thanks for watching. I'm your sweetheart, Natasha. See you in the next video.